guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I actually already made the February bullet journal, so I don't make a plan with me video for this month because I'm kind of hoping that I can find myself relaxing while not focusing on what people can see and can hear and everything. So this February theme is about love, of course, and I actually made this one with my boyfriend. So my boyfriend and I colored this, and yeah, it was such a beautiful memory. And this one is the movies I've watched, books I've read, and then I also put down the places to visit since this month is my boyfriend's month, like his birthday. And I have these weekly spreads. It's supposed to be colorful, and I also have this cute spread for the birthday spread. So I'll put down some photos, and I also have my anniversary this month, so I'll put down some photos there too. And I make this love Polaroid with this quote that I saw online, and I really loved it, like so much. And yeah, for this one, I made a mistake with this one, but I don't want it to look like too stand out for itself, so I made another one just to make it the same thing, like leveling it up. And then I also have this one, so it's kind of like Monday 19 and everything, something like that. And I have this last weekly spread, and of course the review for this month. So yeah, that's basically it for my bullet journal and in this February theme. And of course, let's do a flip through here. However, it's not over because I don't just have the bullet journal, but I also have the other planner. So this life plan journey in February, as you can see here, I have the habits, my review, and my plan. And I also write some things in this planner for the calendar, for the weekly things to do, I guess. And then for this weekly spreads, I will put down some memories for the day, like highlights of the day maybe, or just the stories of the day. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.